Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in a couple of trades here. I've been in this trade, AUD/USD trade, for about an hour almost. Didn't do an hour-long trade on it. I got in early. I'm really supposed to be in a trade right now for AUD/USD for another hour, maybe 3 hours. But since I'm already in this trade, I'm not going to waste getting in the market again. I'm going to take this victory and keep it as that. Got 3 minutes left on this trade. Got in at 74.26 for 2 a.m. on AUD/USD. I got bought the contracts at $61. So I'm making $39 per contract. So that's going pretty well. I'm getting text messages in right now. Some that was just regular text. That wasn't one of my alerts, but things were going pretty good on this one. I got in this trade 10 pips away from this price. So I got in, this entry was at 16.92, 16.90, 91, up in that range. Market shot past that target and continue to go right now. We're 2 pips above my target price. That's why I'm in so much profit right now, because I got in 10 pips ahead of the price. This trade is 10 pips, just about 10 pips above its price right now with 2 minutes left. This one has 5 hours left. So I'm not really worried about this trade too much. So this trade will be over at 7 o'clock. But trades are going very well. 2 minutes left on the trade. I'll probably come back to this trade. I'm going to probably go to sleep and wake back up. And I'm more likely to end this video early because I got a bit of work at 7. So let's know I'm going to be here for this video to go to expiry. So probably about 6 o'clock, maybe 6:15, I'll be shutting the video down. Maybe 6:30, depending on where I'm going. But probably about 6:20, I'll be shutting this video down. We'll wait these 2 minutes out. Not going to the charts right now. Got too much going on the charts, so maybe another time I'll break down why I got in this trade. But right now we're just gonna look at the trade itself. I'm gonna give you guys a little pause in it since we won't be sitting there watching it. All right, we're closing in on the 30 seconds right now, so we already pretty much know that this trade is going to be a victory. About 9 pips, which is good. I should have stayed in this trade on Forex earlier today. Just kind of got to get used to doing Forex trades. I'm demoing Forex trades right now as well. But trade about to win. We'll watch the account balance go up, and available account value gonna go up, but the available is gonna go up as well a little bit too once it clears out. There we go. So now we're looking at 800 and something. This account started last Monday at $267. So this week, I had a few hiccups from last week. I had 2 trades. I kind of like, I'm at work, or I'm at work. I get an alert to enter a trade. I enter the trade. I hit the wrong button. Instead of hitting the buy button, I hit the sell button twice. 2 trades. So I kind of like I probably wasted about $180, something like that. And then I had 1 trade, which I had the discrepancy in the other video. That trade never went in. So possibly $300 different trades didn't make it. But Alex Jenkins checking out. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Still in the trade for 7 a.m. 38 minutes left, 37 minutes left. I'm up 143 in profit. Just debating whether I want to take profit at this present moment. With 37 minutes left, so 6 pips away from the target. So excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. Got us early in the morning. Couple of dollars away from 1,000. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here. If this thing hit over $1,000, was I just gonna take profit and live with that. But what's going on, man? This is a pretty good trade so far. We'll see what continues to go at, but I got 37 minutes left. I'm gonna see what I need to do. I'll be back, get back with you guys in just a moment. Yo, what's going on? We're under a minute left on your USD. I am here for expiry, so I did get into an USD CHF trade. 99.80. I've been in it for a while. I haven't reached that mark yet, but in that trade till 11 o'clock. So I got 4 hours left, and this trade is going to win as well. It's 15 pips above price, so everything's looking pretty good. 18 seconds left. I'm due to make $200 some odd dollars on this trade. Put the count over $1,000, and we should be there in just a moment, a matter of a few seconds. I'm going to see some profit on that end. Boom. Might come back and do a separate video on 11 o'clock. Well, I'll just let that be. Boom, 1079. Looking good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.